on sausage? Cool.
No, it's not just any sausage, all right? I'm putting pieces of metal into the links. You want to know why?
Don't need to. Sometimes you get a feeling that something special's about to happen.
Here, put these on. I figured out how to win the slippery sausage toss.
Rock Bros. Nice. Joey plus bling equals holla.
Think fast.
I caught it. Witchcraft.
The rings are magnets. The metal sausage will stick right to them. It's doof-proof.
Isn't this cheating?
Hey, the rulebook doesn't say you can't stuff the sausage with metal and wear electromagnetic rings.
I'm sold. Any chances of matching necklace and chalice?
Sorry, some things I just like to keep for myself.